Welcome to the Daily Synopsis. One of the witnesses in the Lakhimpur Kheri case was attacked yesterday. Advocate Prashant Bhushan told the Supreme Court while seeking urgent listing of the appeal against the bail granted to the prime accused Ashish Mishra in this case. Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana agreed to list the matter on March 15th. The court had earlier directed the matter to be listed today, but it did not appear in the cause list due to what was deemed to be an office mistake. A four-wheeler belonging to Ashish Mishra, son of Union Minister Ajay Mishra Teni, had allegedly mowed down and killed 8 people, including people who were protesting against the farm laws in October last year. The Allahabad High Court had granted bail to Mishra, noting that there was a possibility that the driver of the vehicle that mowed down the protesting farmers actually sped up the vehicle to save himself. The Delhi High Court on Friday issued notice on a petition filed by JNU student Sharjeel Imam challenging a special court order that had framed charges of sedition and those under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act against him. Notice was issued by a bench of Justices Siddharth Mridul and A.K. Mediratta, who gave the state 2 weeks to place the relevant documents on record. Imam approached the High Court challenging the framing of charges against him in a case related to the alleged inflammatory speeches he had delivered at Aligarh Muslim University and Jamia Millia Islamia in Delhi in relation to the CAA NRC. Justice Vipin Sanghi will be taking over as the acting Chief Justice of Delhi High Court from March 13 onwards after current Chief Justice D.N. Patel demits office. In his farewell speech, Chief Justice Patel said that some judges are pro-government while others are anti-government, but neither approach is wrong. The central government notified Justice Sanghi's appointment on Friday. The Madhya Pradesh High Court has designated 15 lawyers as senior advocates. This is the first round of designations by the High Court since the judgment of the Supreme Court in Indira Jaising versus Supreme Court of India. The names of the lawyers are as follows: Ajay Bagadia, Ajay Gupta, Arun Kumar Srivastav, Arvind Dudawat, Atul Anand Awasthi, Girish Patwardhan, Hemant Srivastava, Imtiaz Hussain, Kailash Chandra Ghildial, MPS Raghuvanshi, Manoj Kumar Sharma, Ravindra Singh Chhabra, Sanjay Agarwal, Shashank Shekhar, and Sushil Kumar Tiwari. The Madras High Court on Friday dismissed a plea filed by the Air Corporation Employees Union seeking directions from the central government to protect their rights and their service conditions before the government proceeds with Air India's disinvestment and privatization. The petitioners had sought the court's intervention in putting on hold the company's disinvestment process until their apprehensions regarding the service conditions were addressed. The court, however, held that the employees' right to be heard was not inviolable when juxtaposed with a monumental economic policy decision.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.